Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese ice cream, also known as Booza. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a small saucepan, we're going to start by adding in 1 cup of pure cream, along with 3 cups of full cream milk. And we're just going to turn our stove on a low heat. Now next we'll need some mastic, also known as Arabic rum. We only need about half a teaspoon of this, but we need to grind it. So I'm just going to add a bit into my mortar and pestle. You can also buy this already ground. And all we want to do is just very carefully crush it up. We want to get a nice fine consistency. So back to our stove, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of it straight in. 1 cup of white sugar. A pinch of salt, and I'm also going to be adding in half a cup of cornflour, and we're just going to use a whisk to stir that all together. Now basically we want to continue heating this up. We don't want it to boil, but we want it to warm up and thicken up. Alright guys, so I've been letting it cook for it's been just a bit less than 10 minutes now. As you can see, it's thickened up and we're getting this really nice sticky effect now. So at this point we're going to turn the heat off. And all we really need to do is just let it cool down. Now guys, flavouring wise there's a lot of things you can do. In my case I'm just going to add in a 1/4 cup of chopped up pistachios, just to keep it very simple and traditional. We'll stir that in. That's looking very good. So guys, let it cool down. Alright guys, so I've just let mine cool down. As you can see, we've got a nice effect going. So what we need to do at this point is transfer this into our ice cream maker. So in my case I'm just using a Cuisinart one. We'll pour this straight in. Make sure to get it all out. And we'll put the lid on and turn the machine on. So guys, basically follow your manufacturer's instructions. Now we'll need to churn this for around 20-25 minutes. We just want a nice thick texture. Alright guys, so I'm at the 25-minute mark now. As you can see, it's coming together very nicely. So what we're going to do at this point is turn the machine off, and all we want to do is empty this out into another container. Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and put this into the freezer now. We want to leave it for at least about 3 to 4 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Now we'll come back and we'll serve it. Alright, so let's go ahead and serve this now. And just look how beautiful that is. And we'll just top it off with some crushed pistachios. And just how beautiful is that? And just look at that beautiful creamy texture. Alright guys, so storage wise, obviously keep it in the freezer. You should get up to about a year with it in the freezer. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.